I'm tired. I'm exhausted. It's currently 7:33, so I had to wake up early. I had to actually had to do a couple of things. So I'm in the ship or ferry. Yeah, that will take me to where I'm going to take my flight. I don't know if I've said it before, but I live on an island. So for me to get to the mainland, I have to go through a ferry to take me to the mainland, where like there's like proper airport, right? To take me wherever I'm going to. So let me just start this vlog. I'm going to Ontario. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah, I'll see you guys.
The next day.
Hey guys. I'm going shopping. Is it shopping or window shopping? We are going shopping, Sha. Diola is here. Queen of Canada. Diola of
Mayor of Toronto.
okay, Sha.
Toronto. Toronto.
The mayor has spoken, guys.
Mayor,
Okay. Yeah, so I'll take you guys along. Guys, the funniest thing just happened today. Okay, so when we went to Mexico, our family trip, Della was there. So we went shopping and all that. Me, I was over that shopping. See, guys, I was over that shopping. Then guess what? The opposite today. I went to Sephora. I went to buy different things. Della was tired. Then I will ask the lady. I will ask her for one question. She will say 10 questions. She will give me 10 answers.
I'm going to
Della would just roll her eyes, and then I kept on indulging her, just asking her about stuff and everything. See,
so happy. She will demonstrate. So this is your skin epidermis. This is the dermis. And because you have more melanin, this is like Jesus Christ.
see, Della could swear for me. I was just laughing like I was really having a good time because I'm like, this is how I feel on a normal day, and today I'm the one having fun. They will give me lots of free goodies. Guys, you should have seen Diola. That's just my own. She was over it. Then I will ask another question. Then I will, oh my God, please can we just go? I said, let me just see, guys. I'm done shopping for today. We go again tomorrow. Will you follow me? Guys, you have no idea. I can't believe this is Diola talking. I cannot believe this. Hey guys, so today is what? Friday. I think today is my 3rd day here, right? I just want to tell you that Diola is spoiling me, and I've just been eating and eating. This one's even small compared to all the things I've been eating. That's what I wanted to let you guys know. So we're going out today again. I'm doing something today, something I've never done. It's called hydra facial. I saw it on TikTok. A girl went to Sephora, so let me link you guys up. So if you you can go to any Sephora store and tell them you want to do hydra facial. It's just $60. Yeah, apparently it's even cheaper than like other places that do hydra facial. So yeah, and the girl did it. She's also a black girl like me, so it was, I said let me give it a try. Don't worry, I'll take you guys along. So I'm going barefaced, like no sunscreen, no nothing. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. See this goat.
She says hi, bye. Gen Z.
And you look Gen Z actually with your short and skinny. Please take me. Gen K. Esther, please.
10/10.
Yeah.
Been a long time.
Our lactic acid treatment. This is what's going to really get into the skin. So lactic acid in general is really good for exfoliation. It's also good to relieve.
Yeah. Been a long time. Look, I said it's been a long time. I go by the name Femi Jar. I feel good. Yo, look, they made me go back to my...
So this is all what came out from my face.
Yeah, so what's not blue, because the blue is like the cleaning solution for the tubing. What's not blue came from...
Guys, I'm done. Before, are we going this way? It's as if they like me in this Sephora. See, they gave me gifts, like free gifts. Hey. Then, is there a difference in my face?
Yes,
Yeah. But let me tell you, these Oyibo people, they can package something. It's just, so what I just did was, I think they put water in a machine and a serum. So they just basically washed my face for me. And that's what they now package as if person they do something. They said I'll see the difference next 24 hours. And like all the products she used on my face are products that I use on a normal day. You understand? So it's just someone basically just washing my face for me. Anyway, Donna and I want to buy bubble tea. We are so obsessed. Donna, tell them what are we doing tonight?
We're going clubbing. She said, you know people that don't go out.
See the way we're excited. Can this one happen in Nigeria?
We're getting old.
Yeah. By the way,
All we do is grown up activities.
I know. By the way, Dala's birthday is 2 weeks time. 2 days. Oh, they. Dala's birthday is 2 days time. So I brought her to the mall to spoil her, to buy things.
Yeah. Your saddle bag.
Okay,
That's what you're taking.
Okay. So yeah.
My sugar mom is spoiling me.
You guys don't mind that. That was embarrass me. Broke girl like me. Broke us.
Don't say that.
Alright. Yeah, I'll see you guys tonight. Bye. Hey guys, first I'm so happy. My heart is full. Oh my god, I saw this semester result and I'm happy. I know on this vlog, like, I've complained numerous times how school was so hectic, different things. Like, I had to just stop YouTube because, to be honest, like, there was one course that gave me heart attack. Like, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, all distinctions, I am so happy. And I'm all dressed going out. I didn't know my results were going to come out today, so I was already dressed and all that. And like, with my result just coming out again, I'm like, what a way to celebrate tonight. I'm happy. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I am so happy. You guys have no idea. Like, I am so happy.
We are very happy and overjoyed.
Thanks to my support system. Shout out to Diola, Tolu, and Uncle. Like, my support system. Like, you know, I'll call you, I'll complain, I'll cry. God is good.
Tonight we celebrate.
Toronto go here. Outfit of the day. Purr. Outfit of the day. Diola, tell us what you're wearing. Zara.
Dynamite.
Oh, sorry.
Fossil. Swarovski.
Okay.
The beauty is from God.
Wow. Big girl things. I'll see you guys.